Okay, we're going to go over the questions on page 107, the communicate questions. Number one, on your own, think about the different kinds of power generation. Which ones do you think have the most negative effects on the environment? Which one has the most positive effects? If you could choose where you get your electricity from, which source would you use? Why? Well, after reading all the information on here, probably it would be easy for you to come up with the conclusion that coal generated power is definitely the least environmentally friendly due to the massive amounts of carbon dioxide that it releases. The one with the most positive effects would be probably solar energy and then wind power as well. Hydroelectric power would be a close third. Now, unfortunately, with all those sources, they all have positives and they all have negatives. Even the most environmentally friendly ones, such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric, do have some drawbacks. With the wind, it has been known to kill some migratory birds and actually endangered species of birds as well. Hydroelectric dams can do major damage to natural spawning grounds for fish and flood vital habitats. And unfortunately, with solar energy, we can only collect energy half the time. Excuse me, just when it's sunny outside. So in the evening, night, we don't gather any energy from it, and on cloudy days, we can't as well. So if you could choose where you get your electricity from, which would you use? Why? Well, if I could get a consistent amount, I would definitely go solar because it is probably the most environmentally friendly method. But if we could develop some battery storage systems that could provide us with energy at night while the solar cells aren't collecting energy, that would be probably a great choice. Okay, number two, complete the table above into your notebook. Using the computer or the resource center, fill out the last two columns in the table. So I hope you went online and used the link that I provided for you to fill this out. Okay, so for the coal burning options, Shant is located in Estevan. It provides 279 megawatts. Boundary Dam is also at Estevan, 813 megawatts. Poplar River is located at Coronach, 572 megawatts. Natural gas. We only have one listed here, but there's quite a few more that have been built in Saskatchewan. I know there's one by North Battleford right now and one currently in development at Moose Jaw. The Queen Elizabeth is located in Saskatoon. It provides 218 megawatts. Hydroelectric, Saskatchewan River Systems. Coteau Creek is located at Elbow. That produces 186 megawatts. Nipawin System is located at Nipawin. It provides 255 megawatts. And the E.B. Campbell facility is also at Nipawin. It produces 288 megawatts. Island Falls is located on the Manitoba-Saskatchewan border. It provides 101 megawatts. The Athabasca Water Systems, Waterloo, Wellington, and Charlotte are all located at Uranium City. They produce 8 megawatts, 4.8 megawatts, and 10 megawatts, so very, very small stations. Wind power, and of course there's many more of these now since this book has been published. The Centennial Wind Power is located near Swift Current. It produces 150 megawatts. Cypress is located by Cypress. It's 11 megawatts. And Sunbridge is located at Gull Lake, 11.2 megawatts. Okay, question number 3. Take a closer look at the power stations in Saskatchewan. Research more information about one of these stations. Report your findings to the class. If you haven't done this yet, if you go to SAS Power's website, I'm just going to click on it right now so I get the right link. If you click on the Our Power Future tab, it gives you a listing of numerous projects that are currently being done by SAS Power.